Galileo FX trading bot review as per request by one of my viewers. Can you guys earn a legitimate 483% return? Or is this just another investment scam? Anyways, all of that coming up in just a moment. Stay tuned. Welcome to the channel. On this channel today, what I do, if you guys are new, you've never been here before, what I do most of the time, as per request by my viewers, is to review stuff. Sometimes I find some good income opportunities, but more often than not, most of the things that people ask me to review, I would say 99.9% of the time, turns out to be a scam. Horrible things that have stolen billions of dollars worth of crypto from unsuspecting victims. You want to make sure that that unsuspecting victim isn't you. Get into the know, subscribe, and also click on the bell notification icon. That way every time I go live with this helpful, useful information that can serve you, you'll be one of the very first people to get access to it. Before we get into this Galileo FX trading bot review, if you are looking for something legit and powerful, get access to my #1 recommended opportunity, a new way to earn with crypto daily, 100% legal and legitimate. Okay, get access to the system underneath this video. First link in the description box lower below. Just click on the more button and you'll get access. Okay, so let's get into it here. Galileo FX trading bot. Okay, there's so many of these platforms and systems out there. What this is a robot trader, okay, and there's 3 different versions of the platform, but let's look at what they are claiming. On their website, they're claiming 483% ROI and 98.3% accuracy with Forex trading and their AI bots. Okay, that is one heck of a claim. Now, the company, Galileo FX Trading Bot, the company, I'll also include a link to this blog post for those of you who need further information. Now, on the website, GalileoFX.com, they are not telling you who owns or runs this company system or FX trading platform. They're promising people returns and mostly winning trades. Kind of reminded me of another system called 8-Minute Trader. At least with 8-Minute Trader, they are owned by a company that's been around for over 25 years. But this Galileo FX, it's just anonymous people. Okay, the domain itself, GalileoFX.com, was privately registered on December 12, 2020. Using Namescheap. They also have an address listed on their website. I also got to say here, after I do reviews, a lot of the time system owners will make changes, but currently at the time of me doing this review, this is what's listed as their address in their contact section. Okay, and they're using this address here, 8690 Paul Street, 3rd floor, Suite 190, London, in the UK. Okay, the problem with this address is the address is stolen because Galileo FX is not there. I looked this address up. You guys can do so using Google Maps, right? And this is what comes up: company's house data. Okay, for those of you who don't know what that is, that is the government organization that is in charge for UK incorporation certificates and corporations for the UK. So these characters behind Galileo FX, who seem to be hiding anonymously, must be laughing. They stole a government address, and I even did a search using company's house, the search bar, and they're not even there as a registrant. Okay, so these guys at GalileoFX.com are not even registered I mean, it costs like less than $50 to go out there. I'm in Canada and I can go get a UK incorporation certificate. A lot of scammers use them. But these guys, they didn't even fork out the $50 to get a UK incorporation certificate. Now let's look at the traffic. Most of the traffic going to this website, GalileoFX.com. Number 1, Brazil, 21.74%. USA, 17, almost 18%. Australia, 7%. Italy, almost 7%. Austria, 5.77%. Okay. Galileo FX Trading Bot, legal registration. They are not registered anywhere in the world to offer you guys or offer the public a passive income opportunity. Okay. Cost to get started with Galileo FX. They have 3 different plans to choose from. Personal Virgin. Not Virgin. I almost said Virgin for some reason. Can't speak properly here today. Personal version costs $500. The Plus version is $1,000. And for the Pro version, they didn't list the price. Now, according to them, on their website, they're claiming that they're the best crypto Forex gold stock trading bot of 2022. The trading bot that works. Now, they're also saying trading doesn't have to be intimidating. Quickly start trading on autopilot. The problem, none of that can be proved. Those are just claims. Okay. Conclusion. Okay. Before I get into the conclusion, I gotta say I went to their official YouTube channel, and underneath their marketing video, they have a ton of positive comments. And I also went over to Trustpilot. They seem to have a lot of positive reviews. Okay. Then I went to another website. Okay, and I found that people were actually giving negative reviews, their real experience. Now with Trustpilot is BS in my opinion. I see a lot of scam companies out there with tons of positive reviews. You can purchase positive reviews from elsewhere, and it can display on Trustpilot. Okay, so it's like the opposite of Trustpilot is what Trustpilot is. Okay, so it looks like these guys bought a whole bunch of positive reviews. Okay, I also recommended you guys go out there and do your own due diligence and research. Anyways, conclusion. Does a scam exist with Galileo FX Trading Bot and GalileoFX.com? Well, let's look at the facts. Number 1, anonymous ownership. Why are they hiding? Number 2, no verifiable evidence that these anonymous people know anything about profitable Forex trading. Number 3, stolen address. Number 4, they're not licensed anywhere in the world legally. Number 5, unsustainable ROI. Who the hell would offer 483% ROI and saying 98% accuracy in Forex trading? That's ridiculous. A quick visit to the Galileo official FX official Facebook page, and you could see that people are not happy with them, with the emojis, like a lot of angry emojis. Looks like they got 3 angry emojis there, and one guy says garbage. My verdict is I don't recommend it. Most likely you guys, if you fork out $500 or $1,000 for their software, you're most likely going to get scammed. You'll probably get a software, right? But a software that can actually work, right? And what you're going to get are 2 different things. I don't recommend it. It looks like an awful scam. And it looks like they've been scamming people for the past 2 years. Anyways, this concludes my Galileo Trading Bot review. For those of you who are serious and tired of the scams, be sure to check out my number 1 recommended opportunity, 100% legal and legitimate. Get access to this powerful system, underneath this video, just click the more button, first link below. Legal and legitimate, and more importantly, lucrative. Anyways, I will see you guys on the next one. Take care.